Hi guys, welcome to MIKAY TV. Today we're back at home and today's episode is how to use this emoji tutorial. And also for one thing, you need to ask your parents' permission to use this. This is also in Facebook Messenger, and now let's get started. Today we're going to make me... Wait, what? Why do I have a yellow face? I think this is how we start. But at least I have my brown eyes, so that's okay. Maybe I should do this. This type of skin look good to you? I'm not sure. It doesn't look like my look. Maybe a little brighter like this. Yeah, this one fits me. What do you think, guys? My skin? Do I need freckles? Let's just see how I look like when I try them on. Not this one, or this one. OMG. This is it's spreaded. I really don't like freckles, so I'm gonna leave that. Cheeks. Maybe I need like the blush, so cause I'm really shy. So maybe I need to have many blush like this. A beauty spot. I'm not sure I have a beauty spot yet, so maybe I'm too young. Now the hairstyle. Let's see if there's any other colors. Oh no, it also uses my eyebrows too, so I'm gonna make it black. My original hairstyle. Let's see if there's any hairstyles that suits me. Maybe this one. Oh, wait, this hairstyle, it looks like an 18th girl, like the woman. I remember one of those pictures. This one I think is boys. Wait, there's still some. This one. This one looks like my hair is short, so I'm not that much into it. This hair. Oh, I like this. Wavy and long. So what do you guys think, huh? Shaky. Now the eyebrows. So let me try without eyebrows. OMG, I look creepy. I think I need to put mine on. OMG, I look like I've been shouting for ages, and then I haven't noticed my eyebrows has grown. This one looks, it's like mad, slightly mad, really mad. This one, it's like just a little mad. Funny, isn't it? This one's normal. It's okay. The eyes, I've already done it. Oh, I've missed the eyelashes before, so I need to do this. This one, no. Looks like I've been wearing eyeliner. Maybe this. Yeah, this is better. Now, oh, this is eyeliner. I am not a lady, but we can just try it on. Oh, it makes me look pretty. I like it. Maybe I should add more. Even if I'm just a little girl, I think I should have more makeup in this emoji. How about eyeshadow? How do you like me now? So now I think that's enough of the eyeshadow because too much makeup for a kid is bad. I think my head's already in good shape, but I'll still look a little chubby, and that's fine. Maybe my nose? No, OMG! What happened to my nose? It looks like in Pinocchio, but then my nose is even thicker and bigger. It looks like I've been squishing my nose in the window for ages. No, this one's too small. Really looks like the normal Pinocchio. This one, better. Nope, piercings. No thank you. I think in real life, it will hurt. But at least we can try it. Oh, I don't really like this. Look like more of a teenager because a teenager always wears makeup. I should remove that. So guys, now we're in the mouth. Now let's try. I want to have some ladylike lips. This one is normal. How about this one? OMG, it looks like I've been kissing too long and I got allergies. Too thick. This one is really thick. Okay, I'm just going to continue even if my character glitched. Oh, there you go. It's better. This one? No, it's like I've been wearing lipstick and then I couldn't get it off. And then, it turns into the shape. This one's better than normal. Teeth, let's try. Normal teeth. Braces? I'm too young to have braces. Vampire teeth. I will suck your blood. Sorry. I'm quite, I lost one teeth on the top, so that's normal to me. Mouth piercings? What's that? Ow, I think that really hurts in real life. Wait, 2. Now that's the tongue. Oh wait, I'm gonna remove them. I really don't like it. Wait, how do you move it? There, that's better. Ears. I still have the tongue piercing. I should really remove that. OMG. Big ears, or medium ear, or small ear. Don't know, you can't really see it. Oh wait, you can see it from here. I think this is normal. I'm a kid though. I have earrings. I don't have the heart. I do have the heart. Maybe I can do it like this. Yeah. Cool. Audio. Maybe I'll save that for later. Facial hair. No. Eyewear. Yes. This is the one I need. And purple glasses. So now the headwear. I really don't want a headwear because I think my hair is good enough. So now press done. These are all of the emojis. Then look. Now I want to show you another one, but this time I'm gonna make a boy. Okay, so I will wonder how a boy will look like. Of course, the boys are really handsome though. They're brave. Some boys have blush, but I'm not sure they have a beauty spot because they're handsome, not beautiful. Just don't know why I always like black hair. So now let's go to the boys. Is there any others that we can choose here? This one. No. Both of these are bad haircuts. This one. This looks like a boy from Shanghai. Maybe this one. This one's too young. This one, OMG, poofy hair. Like it. You're right for the party, but not yet. The party haven't even started. This one looks nice. Okay. So now I want to see how he looks like with different type of eyebrows, like this. Gray. Maybe black. Brown. Light brown. Red. Orange. I don't know what's this color. And then yellow. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Pink. And purple. I decided to go with black, like how normal people have their eyes. Let's see how it looks like with bluebell eyes, like this. Maybe it looks quite handsome, but I want to try it in the others. This one looks more like black. Ooh, bright eyes. But maybe this boy can be unique. It like has 2 color eyes like this. Nice. Boys have a little eyelash, right? I'll just keep it like this to make it normal. Eyeliner, eyeshadow, no thank you. A boy always needs, a normal. Maybe like this. Hey guys, how do you like my boy face? I don't want it to be chubby. I want it to be handsome and fit. Okay, maybe we need to try to avoid getting this boy ugly. OMG, my nose is too big. Nose piercings. Maybe a boy can have that. No, thank you. He doesn't look that much of like a handsome one. Maybe you can have braces. Vampire teeth. Braces. I don't want him to be a pirate, but he can be normal. Like, all teeth is in line. Okay, tongue piercing. Let's see it. Maybe the tongue piercing can leave. I really don't like piercings. I don't want to see it. My ears, are they big enough? I think I remember a character, but I'm not sure who it is. From the side, it looks like him, but looks chubby. Maybe I can make him have headsets. Oh, maybe, yeah, headsets is good. So now, facial hair. Let me see. Sideburns? Yeah. Maybe he's old. Maybe it's a small sideburn, so it wouldn't be seen. Let's see it. Ooh. Yeah. I am a tough guy. This one, I think it's been abandoned in a dungeon for years and then never escaped. And then later on he went out and then he had this type of beard. This one even thicker. But I prefer him without it. He's still too young. Eyewear. Maybe he can be like very smart. So he can have glasses. Headwear. I still like his head because all of this, it looks like his hair has been 50 or 60% covered. So now done. Now look, you have your own boy emoji. So now it's time for random time. I'm gonna make a new emoji and I'm gonna do random like blue skin. How do you guys think? I'm an alien. Maybe I can be bald. That aliens are bald. So I can have gray blush. Won't be seen. How about this alien is living on Earth, but then it wants to learn and try to make a hairstyle, but it goes out bad. Like this. Looks like more an alien, guys, right? Bald. This one, yeah. But I think that's a girl. Maybe this one. This. It's supposed to look like he's new to the planet, like this one. What color? Maybe he dyed it green. Yeah, like that. It's like he's a planet Earth alien. Water and plants. Maybe we can have a forehead mark like one of the Indians. Maybe he came from India and then later on crashed into Asia. I think that's good. Eyes. His eyes maybe like this. Aw, sad little one. Don't need to cry. We'll cheer you up. And you'll be up high. And this one. Looks sleepy. Because it's just an alien after all. The red dot might be a third eye, but I'll give him no eyelashes, no eyeliner, and no eyeshadow. Head. Maybe it can be old. No, it looks like he's almost out of health. This one? Yeah, it looks like he's a boy from outer space. His nose can be small. Oh, this one's better. Because he's a young boy. Nose piercings. I'm not that into piercings anymore. I wanna try. Hi guys, do you like my chubby lips? My lips look like a fish. Maybe I can put like that. Purple lips, and then she can be like more like a girl. Really gonna put vampire teeth. Yeah, looks good. Yeah. Tongue piercing? No, thank you. Big ears? Yes, we need. Ha! What do you think about me now? I am an alien from outer space and then crash into planet Earth. Audio. I need to have one like some type of weird technology. Do you guys? Oh, do you like it with a beard or not? Maybe this can be in man. I'm not sure. A boy or a man, both of them are same. At least they're the same gender. Yeah, that's good. I want him to be a genius. Like he has a monocle. There you go. So now that's your alien. I will take over the world by my smart brain. I am the cousin of Dracula from Transylvania. That's why I have sharp teeth in my teeth. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and hit the subscribe button so we can get 1 million subscribers. Bye!